Hey everyone, so this will be a quick unboxing here of the light gold iPhone Air. Super crazy thin. See how this looks. Oh, everyone seems to be raving about this and at the same time hating on it. So we'll see. So of course we have the braided, very nice braided USB-C, USB-C, a little bit of paperwork, a little cutout here for the camera bump. So in the video, it looks kind of white. It is a nice light gold. I mean, it's nice looking. Wish it would have some crazy cool eye-popping colors to them, but it does look very nice. Of course, the thing is how thin that is. And man, is that thing thin. It's off there. It's thin, good size, and very lightweight. Cool little bump there. Houses a whole bunch of stuff now. Of course, only one camera, which to me is weird for a $1,000 phone. Your flash. The rail, I want to say, is in this lighting, at least, looks silver to me. It almost looks silver gold, actually. I take it back. It looks gold, at least in this lighting here. It looks like a nice gold rail. So, of course, we have our power button, our camera button, USB-C, which is almost the same thickness as the phone itself. Our nope, right, there's no speaker on this, isn't there? Yeah, there's only one speaker. I think it's up here, which is crazy again for a $1,000 phone. Volume rocker, this is super shiny as well and reflective. Our action button, yeah, very, very cool. I mean, very similar thickness wise to like the S25 Edge from Samsung. So feels good in the hand though, nice and rounded. Yeah, I'm excited to try this thing out though. So stay tuned for a bunch of videos to come on this, as well as a couple other iPhones here. Just for a quick, there's the new 17. See, it's quite a bit thicker. Isn't too good to the camera bump. Alright guys, let me know what you think. It's a nice color. I wish they had some like that crazy orange they have on the Pros. Wish they would have on here. Let me know what you guys think though. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Goodbye.